Hello students of class 8, welcome to my next online class. So this is the continuation video on the same exercise 9.2, that is application of time and work. I hope you are practicing the questions at home. So in my previous interactive class, when I tried to solve few questions, many students faced problem due to poor network, right? So I thought to make one video on this. The few left questions of this exercise I will be solving today, right? So on the board you can see that I have noted on one question. Electrician A takes 15 minutes to fit a ceiling fan, while electrician B takes 18 minutes to do the same job. Working together, how long will they take to fit 22 ceiling fans? This is the question, right? So you see, electrician A takes 15 minutes to fit a ceiling fan. That means electrician A takes 15 minutes to fit one ceiling fan, right? Electrician A's 1 minute work will be 1 by 15. This 15 will be coming down. If 15 minutes, if he is fitting one ceiling fan, then in 1 minute how much work he will do? That means 1 by 15, right? Like in my previous interactive class we have done, like A can complete the work in 10 days. So 1 day work will be how much? 1 by 10. Similarly B can complete the work in 20 days. B's 1 day work will be 1 by 20. So similarly here it is in minute, so I wrote here 1 by 15. Similarly I will be writing for electrician B. Electrician B 1 minute work. So how much work he has done? In 18 minutes he completes the same work. So electrician B 1 minute work will be 1 by 18, right? Working together, how long will they take to fit ceiling fan? That means A plus B. A plus B's 1 minute work. So when they are working together, that means we have to take LCM. Okay, so 15 and 18. 15 and 18 when you take LCM, that is 3 5s are 3 6s are 3 5s are 3 2s are 2 5 1 5 1 1, right? So here you see 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. That means 9 into 10, that is 90. LCM is 90. Okay. So as LCM is 90 here, so we will be writing here 90. So 15, how much are 90 here? You see 6. That means 6 will multiply here. 18, how much are 90 here? 5 multiply 5 multiply by 5, right? So 6 plus 5 you will be getting. Here you will be getting 11 by 90. So 11 by 90 we got here. Now what was the question here? You see, working together, how long will they take to fit 22 ceiling fans? That means working together, how much time they are taking? That is 11 by 90, right? So time taken to fit 22 ceiling fans will be, this one we have to take a reciprocal, that is 90 by 11 into 22. How many ceiling fans? 22 ceiling fans. That means 11 2s. That means 90 into 2 we will be getting 180 minutes. Now total time is 180 minutes. And we know 3 into 60. 180 can be written as 3 into 60 minutes, or 60 minutes equals to hour. That means 3 hours. This is the required answer. Right? So after getting the total time, the required time will be reciprocal of this. That means 1 by 11 by 90. So that is why I have done here reciprocal. So whenever the question is that A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete the work in 20 days. So how long will they work together? That means what is the time period? And what we will do? 1 plus 10 plus 1 by 20, right? Whatever answer we will get, we will reciprocal it. Similarly we have done here. We have reciprocally, and this total time it requires to, how much time will require to fit 22 ceiling fans? So we have multiplied. Next question, we have question number 9. Gardener A takes 1.5 hours to water a garden. That means 1.5 hours. 1 hour means 60 minutes, and half hour is 30 minutes. So 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Okay. So 1.5 hour when I say, that means how much, if you convert in minute, how much we will get? That is 90 minutes. So gardener A takes 90 minutes to water a garden, while gardener B takes only 54 minutes. Both gardeners begin watering the garden together, but B leaves after 18 minutes. That means A is taking 90 minutes to water a garden, B is taking 54 minutes to water a garden. Now both are working together and they have worked together up to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, B is leaving the job and the rest remaining work is being completed by gardener A, right? So first we have to find how much time taken when they are working together. So you see what I have written here, gardener A takes 90 minutes to water a garden, then gardener A 1 minute work will be 1 by 90, like previous question how we have solved. Similarly gardener B 1 minute work will be 1 by 54 because he took 54 minutes to complete the total work. Now A plus B, that is gardener A plus gardener B, 1 minute work will be 1 by 90 plus 1 by 54. We have to take LCM. After taking LCM, you see 90 and 54, what is the LCM we got? That is 270. So 270, if you substitute here, 90, how much is 270? 93 is so 3, 54, 5 is 270, that is I have substituted here 5. So 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 270. That means 8 by 270, this much time was taken when they are working together. So 1 minute work, okay, 1 minute work of A and B, A plus B is 8 by 270. Then what will be the work when they have worked for 18 minutes? So 1 minute work is this much. So 18 minute work will be, I have to multiply now 18 into 8 by 270. Right? Now when you multiply here, 9 2 is 18, 9 30 is 270. Again it will get cancelled. 9 2 1 is 2, 2 15 is. So how much will you got? 8 by 15. Right? So 18 minute work is this much. So after 18 minutes, you see what is written here. After 18 minutes, but B leaves after 18 minutes. That means up to 18 minutes they work. Then after that B left the job. Now when B left the job, the rest remaining work was completed by A. So first we have to find the remaining work. So how much work is left now? Remaining work. Whenever we are finding the remaining work, so this is a fraction. 1 is the maximum, right? So from 1 always we have to subtract to find the remaining work. That means 8 by 15. If you take LCM, LCM is 15. 15, 1 is 15, 15 minus 8, 7 by 15. Right? And this work, the remaining work was completed by whom? By A. So A can complete the work in 54 minutes. Right? So how much longer will A take to finish the watering the garden? So gardener, it takes 90 minutes to water a garden. So we have to multiply here with 90. So 15, 6 is 90. That means 7 into 6, that is 42 minutes. Is the one answer. Right? So the question was very simple. How much in 1 minute, how much time taken by gardener A? 1 by 90. In 1 minute, gardener B takes 1 by 54. So total time taken by A plus B is 1 by 90 plus 1 by 54. Now they have worked together for 18 minutes. So I multiplied this with 18. So after this, B is leaving the job and the rest remaining work is completed by A. So to find the remaining work, we have to subtract from 1. So every time if I say that 3 by 4 work has been done, so how much work not done? Then what we will do? We have to subtract from 1. That means 4 1 is 4, 4 minus 3, that is 1 by 4. That means 1/4 of work is not done and 3/4 work is done, right? So to find the remaining work, always we have to subtract from 1. Now after taking LCM, so we got here 7 by 15, right? 15 1 is 15, 15 minus 6, 7 by 15. Now this 7 by 15 we have multiplied with 90 because the rest job was completed by A and A takes 90 minutes to complete the job. So 15 6 and 6 7 is 42. 42 minutes is the required answer. Question number 10 is saying that Mason A can build a shed in 12 hours and Mason B takes 9 hours to set the same shed and Mason C takes 12 hours to do the same work. how long will they take to work together? So you see, mason A 1 day work, mason B 1 day work, and mason C 1 day work. All we will add, right? So you see, mason A's 1 hour work will be what? 1 by 12. 1 hour work for mason B is 1 by 9, and mason C 1 hour work is 1 by 12. So total time, you see, the same way how we have solved our previous question, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. If you take LCM, we'll get 36, and in the numerator when you will solve, you'll get 10 by 36. That means if you reduce 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 2 18s are 36. That means 5 by 18 we got, right? So you see here, how long will they take to work together? That means they will take 5 by 18 hour. Now required time will be 18 by 5 hour, and 18 by 5, now this here we need to multiply with 60. Okay, first we will convert into minute, because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 5 how much? 12. So 18 into 12 will get 216 minutes. Again 216 minutes can be written as 180 plus 36. 180 can be written as 3 into 60 plus 36. That is 3 hour 36 minutes. Okay, so first we will convert into minute, then again we will come back to hour. So second part of the question is 16 left. So we have solved this one. Next left, how will the payment of 1000 for the job be distributed among them? So first we will find here ratios. So that is 1 by 12 is to 1 by 9 is to 1 by 12. Right? So here LCM is 36. So here we will multiply 12 into 36. 1 by 9 into 36 and 1 by 12 into 36. So we will get here 3 is to 4 is to 3. Now sum of ratio. Sum of ratio when you will do, that means 3 plus 4 plus 3. Like in ratio chapter how we have solved. So what we will get here? 10. Right? That means share of A. So share of A, that means mason A, that means 3 by 10 into total 1000 rupees we have to distribute. So 0 and 0 got cancelled, that means 300 rupees, 300. That means share of B. What is B? 4. That is 4 by total into 1000. 10 got cancelled, that means rupees 400. And last, share of C. Share of C when you are calculating, C is here 3. 3 by 10 into 1000. 0 got cancelled, that means rupees 300. So when you add this 300 plus 400 plus 300, we will get 1000 only. So this 1000 is being distributed among the 3 masons. Okay. So this was the question. Now you see in the exercise, similar type of questions are here, right? So up to question number 10 I have solved. Rest questions you will try to solve by yourself. Okay. So if you can't, next interactive class you will be asking me. Okay. So see you soon. Practice well and stay safe.